Is Jungle Scout still worth it in 2025? I tested it, so you don't have to. And the first thing we want to look at is just how much different the platform has changed from 2024 to 2025. Now, Jungle Scout is still my favorite Chrome extension. It's the cleanest. It's one of the easiest tools to use. Helium 10's more powerful. AIM-Z Scout has all these different things. You've got Smart Scout, a lot of different tools, but I still love Jungle Scout. Now, you can log in right here, and then the main thing you're going to do is the catalyst. Now, right on the homepage, they're telling you your profit, your total sales. You can connect everything to see how much profit you're actually making on Amazon. And it's a very clean interface. There's not too many tools to overwhelm you. They just focus on Amazon. It's a very good tool for beginner sellers and somebody who wants something clean to start with, right? Now, the new tool that they added is, of course, AI, which is competitive intelligence. So they do give you a preview, or you can upgrade, but it pretty much gives you loads of data if you want to dive deeper into a niche or into a product and see how they're growing, the revenue goals of competitors, products, keywords they're using, all of the listings and reviews. So we can see the opportunities. Let's see if it's loading. Position tracking. We can see all the keywords missing. Let's see all the keywords that they're ranking for compared to the competitors' listing. So this is a very powerful AI tool. That's one of the new tools that they have. Another one is going to be the supplier database. So if you're trying to find a supplier, you can see Marshmallow. Let's say portable campfire. This is supposed to help you find different types of suppliers. So you can see different manufacturers, total customers, right? So you can look through these to find different suppliers, which is awesome. So Lululemon, where do they buy from? Nike, things like that. It's going to help you find those suppliers, which is a newer tool. Again, so those are the two biggest new tools that Jungle Scout has. And again, the way they organize this is extremely easy to understand. You can see the different thing. Stand kit, portable campfire ring. And you can see the customer. I'll look at that customer. And you can see what types of products they sell and where they're actually buying their items from, which is pretty awesome, right? Now, they do have some updated tools. Now, the updated tools is going to be the Chrome extension. So if we're looking at the Chrome extension, let me see. We can look at how the interface looks. So if we pretty much type in multivitamin on Amazon and we're using the Chrome extension, right off the gate, it gives you this bottom section that tells you how much they're making per month. So it's just like super easy to just see the competitor sales. Like this one's making $1 million a month, $800,000 a month. It's like super easy. It's pretty much one of the best tools, and we can see a graph on how their sales are going. Let's see if it's going up. Are people getting sick? Let's see if people are buying more pills. You can see the historical performance. Yes, looks like the sales are kind of going up a bit. Review analysis, you can log into your Amazon and then have a little table view. So pretty much their Chrome extension is still one of the best Chrome extensions because how quickly it works and how it just tells you how much everybody's making per month and all this other data. Very nice. The Chrome extension is looking cleaner and cleaner. We can even open it up. Scan search results. So again, extremely clean, extremely fast. I think that's going to be the biggest part of, again, Jungle Scout. I'm going to keep saying it. It's pretty much the cleanest tool to use, right? So like Instagram, think Instagram. And now we have the listing analyzer. That's another tool that got optimized. So we can put in a competitor. Let's just look at one of these listings. Oh, and it's super easy to copy the ASIN. So you can just click this and you can just copy the ASIN if you need to do a quick copy. Put in that, and then it has a new listing analyzer. So you do have to log into your Amazon account to see more data. This is to download the reviews, and that way it uses artificial intelligence to look through all the reviews and kind of give you like, what are the negative reviews of this product? What are the positive reviews, right? So you can make your own product better or look at competitors. Very nice. Again, how clean this is great, but you do have to log into your Amazon account to see more data. Another update is going to be your keyword rank tracker. So if I was trying to rank for the word multivitamin, it's going to give me more in-depth data on that. Increase your sales by tracking your organic position on Amazon's search results page for relevant search terms. So again, another great tool that they're just optimizing. And overall, they do have a lot of other tools like review, automation, analytics, and performance that's going to be showing you your profit, managing your products, the extension. They do have an academy too for training on how to use all these tools. Product research, which is an extremely good tool. They've been really doing a good job on this. You can do high demand and low competition and then automatically start looking for different types of products very quickly. Opportunity Finder, Product Tracker. Again, all of these tools are very good and straight up front. And I just love how clean this is. Honey shampoo. Interesting. And this one is, and look, see how quickly we found a product, right? So it's a honey shampoo and it's making $50,000 a month with only 21 reviews. And they're not even FBA. Maybe they were. It's just completely insane. So again, finding products so quickly. The tool doesn't lie. They don't hold back any information. They're not out against you. They're here to help you. So that's what I love about Jungle Scouts. They're not trying to take your money. They're really there to help you. And if you do sell on Amazon and you did want like a listing audit, we utilize these tools and all of the other tools that I mentioned in this video. You can go to our website in the description, click free listing audit. We'll actually do a free listing audit of your entire listing if you wanted us to check your top competitors, compare it to Jungle Scouts data, and then even give you top improvements to improve your sales. Check it out in the description. It's a win for you. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Jungle Scout videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be monitoring your account health, optimizing your designs, helping you find products to launch, running your ads, support, and most importantly, helping you grow your sales. That way you don't have to work in your business every day. You can just work on expanding your business. We're doing the day-to-day operations 24/7, 365 for you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.